Hey everyone, we hope you're ready for another tips video. Today we're continuing our journey through the travel tips series. It's going to be packed with valuable insights. In a previous video, we kicked off our top 10 international travel tips series. We explored some foundational tips that are crucial for any traveler, whether you're a newbie or a seasoned explorer. We talked about the importance of planning ahead, understanding local customs, and making sure you have all your essential documents in order. Now, whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or just spreading your wings for the first time, we all know how important it is to be prepared. Preparation can make the difference between a smooth, enjoyable trip and a stressful, chaotic one. It's all about having the right mindset and the right tools at your disposal. So if you haven't already, make sure you catch part 1. We covered some essential advice to get you started, like how to pack efficiently, the best ways to manage your travel budget, and tips for staying healthy on the road. You don't want to miss it. We covered some essential advice to get you started. But today, we're going to take it a step further. We're diving into more ideas that will help you travel smarter, safer, and more enjoyably. These are the kinds of information that can turn a good trip into an unforgettable one. So, grab your passports, fasten your seatbelts, and get ready for an epic journey as we unveil more guides for your next unforgettable international travel experience. Let's go. Tip number 1. Before you even think about packing, make a checklist. This simple step can save you a lot of stress and ensure you don't forget anything important. Checklists are a traveler's best friend, helping you stay organized and focused. It's one of the oldest tricks in the book, but trust us, it works. Start by jotting down everything you think you'll need. Don't worry about the order just yet. The key is to get everything out of your head and onto paper. Start with the essentials: passport, tickets, wallet, cash, credit cards. These are the items you absolutely cannot travel without. Double check that you have them before you leave the house. You don't want to be stranded without those. Imagine the hassle of trying to board a plane without your passport or tickets. It's a nightmare scenario that can be easily avoided with a good checklist. Then move on to clothing. Think about the climate and activities you'll be doing. Are you heading to a tropical beach or a snowy mountain? Pack accordingly. Layers are always a good idea as they allow you to adjust to changing temperatures. And don't forget comfortable shoes. Whether you're exploring a city or hiking in nature, your feet will thank you. Electronics are next. Phone, laptop, chargers, adapters. These are crucial in today's world. Staying connected is important, whether for navigation, communication, or capturing memories. Make sure you have all the necessary cables and adapters for your devices, and of course, any medications you take regularly. It's a good idea to pack a few extra days' worth, just in case of delays. Keep them in your carry-on bag so they're easily accessible. It's always better to be safe than sorry. A small first aid kit can be a lifesaver, especially if you're traveling to remote areas. Band-aids, pain relievers, and any personal medical supplies should be on your list. A well-prepared traveler is a confident traveler. With items on your checklist checked off, you can embark on your journey with peace of mind, knowing you have everything you need for a fantastic adventure. Different countries, different plugs, right? It can be a real headache if you're not prepared. Tip number 2, that's why we always recommend getting a multi-country power plug or power strip. It's like having a universal key for electricity. Adapters are good too, but they can be a bit bulky. And sometimes you can find them cheaper at your destination. But having that multi-purpose plug gives you peace of mind. You'll be able to charge your devices no matter where you are in the world. Tip number 3, understanding the currency exchange rate is crucial. You don't want to be caught off guard by how much things cost. Before you go, exchange some money into the local currency. And make sure you have a mix of denominations. Small bills are always handy. While credit cards are widely accepted, especially in larger establishments, having some local cash is essential for smaller shops, markets, and street food vendors. You don't want to miss out on those hidden culinary gems or souvenirs. Tip number 4, you don't need to be fluent, but learning a few basic phrases in the local language can go a long way. Greetings like hello, please. And thank you are always appreciated. It shows respect and a willingness to engage with the local culture. Don't be afraid to try. Even if your pronunciation isn't perfect, the effort will be appreciated. It's amazing how a few simple words can break down barriers and create meaningful connections. Tip number 5, hop-on hop-off bus tours are a fantastic way to get acquainted with a new city. They offer a comprehensive overview of the main attractions and often take you off the beaten path. You can hop off at any stop that interests you, explore at your own pace, and hop back on when you're ready to move on. It's a cost-effective and convenient way to see a lot in a short amount of time. Plus, you might just stumble upon some hidden gems along the way. Tip number 6, save yourself time and hassle by booking attractions and tours in advance online. You can often skip the ticket lines and go straight to the fun. Many websites offer package deals that can save you money on multiple attractions. But be sure to compare prices and read the conditions before you book. Remember, a little planning goes a long way in maximizing your travel experience. Tip number 7, when you're traveling, it's essential to be mindful of your personal security. Avoid carrying large amounts of cash and be aware of your surroundings. And a word of caution about social media. It's great to share your adventures, but be careful about posting real-time updates about your whereabouts. You don't want to advertise that your home is empty while you're away. It's best to wait until you're back to share those vacation pics. Tip number 8, make it look like someone's home, even when you're miles away. Use smart bulbs or smart switches. These handy devices allow you to control your home lighting remotely. You can set timers or use an app to turn lights on and off at different times, creating the illusion that someone's home. It's a simple but effective way to deter potential burglars and give yourself peace of mind while you're traveling. Tip number 9, don't leave home without it. Travel insurance is essential for those unexpected events that can happen while you're abroad, like medical emergencies or a hospital stay. Shop around for the best coverage that suits your needs and budget. Don't overpay for services you don't need, but make sure you're covered for the essentials. Having travel insurance gives you peace of mind, knowing that you're protected if something goes wrong. Before you embark on any trip, especially an international one, tip number 10, it's crucial to have your legal and financial affairs in order. Make sure your will is up to date and that you have a plan in place for your dependents or loved ones in case of an emergency. It's not the most pleasant thing to think about, but it's essential to be prepared for any eventuality. Having these matters in order gives you peace of mind, knowing that your loved ones are taken care of. In today's digital age, staying connected while on the road is easier than ever. Bonus tip: equip yourself with the right tools to ensure you can work, communicate, and navigate seamlessly, no matter where you are. A reliable VPN is essential for protecting your data on public Wi-Fi networks. Cloud storage services like Google Drive or Dropbox can keep your important documents accessible and safe. Don't forget about power banks and universal adapters to keep your devices charged and ready. And if you are a content creator, portable hard drives and compact camera gear can be lifesavers. With the right digital toolkit, you can turn any destination into your office or creative studio. Embrace the freedom of working from anywhere and let technology enhance your travel experiences. So there you have it, more essential tips to help you navigate the world with confidence and ease. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting your journey, these tips are designed to make your adventures smoother and more enjoyable. From choosing the right gear to understanding local customs, every little detail can make a big difference. Remember, preparation is key to a smooth and enjoyable journey. Start by making a checklist of all the essentials you'll need. This includes your travel documents, medications, and any special items you might need for your destination. Double-check your bookings and make sure you have copies of important documents. From packing smart to staying safe and embracing the unexpected, a little planning goes a long way. Pack versatile clothing that can be layered and mixed and matched. Always have a small first aid kit and know the emergency numbers of the country you're visiting. And don't forget to leave some room for spontaneity. Some of the best travel experiences come from unplanned moments. So go out there, explore new horizons, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Take the time to immerse yourself in the local culture, try new foods, and meet new people. Capture the beauty of each place you visit, but also take moments to simply enjoy and be present. And as always, thank you for joining us on this incredible adventure. Your support and enthusiasm mean the world to us. We hope these tips inspire you to embark on your own journeys and discover the wonders of our beautiful planet. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips, inspiration, and stories from around the globe. Safe travels, everyone. Stay curious, stay adventurous, and keep exploring. Until next time, happy travels.